Good day guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to change your Clash of Clans account. As you guys can see here, there's this disconnect button, so you guys can try and click on that one. And yeah, as you can see here, it's the Supercell, so you may have to create your Supercell ID on this one. As you guys can see here, I used my Gmail to register the Supercell ID. So yeah, give me a moment here while I am currently verifying my Gmail. And as you guys can see here, I'm putting the verification code. So yeah, give me a moment. And it's all set. So yeah, you may have to register your Supercell ID. Give me a moment while I speed this one up. And as you guys can see here, I've managed to successfully create my Supercell ID. And there you have it. You can just click on switch account. And yeah, click on this login to Supercell ID. And continue. And confirm. And on the login screen, you'll have two options. Login with Supercell ID or play without Supercell ID. And as you can see, I used my Supercell ID because I registered it earlier. And of course, I may have to get the verification code. And there you go. Clash of Clans. So this is how you log in or change your Clash of Clans account anytime, anywhere. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.